Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Peter channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Peter.
Hi, Peter. Hi, everyone. It's so good to be here again today.
Yes, it's great to see you, Lily. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you, Peter? You look a bit tired.
Oh, you can tell, huh? Yes, I'm a little tired.
Already? But it's only afternoon.
I know, but I had a really busy morning. Meetings, messages, reports. It was nonstop.
Oh, no. That sounds exhausting.
It really was. But now that I'm here, I feel better.
Aw, that's nice. Talking to friends helps, doesn't it?
It does. And I've got my green tea here. That helps too.
Green tea. That's healthy. I've got my favorite. Coffee. Big, warm, and strong.
Coffee always makes you happy, right?
Always. Coffee is my best morning friend.
Huh, I can see that. Before we start, let's say hello properly to our listeners.
Great idea. Hello, everyone, and welcome.
We're so glad you're here with us today.
Yes, and if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Peter channel.
It really helps us create more fun English conversations for you.
And maybe share this with your friends, especially if they're learning English too.
Absolutely. Okay, Peter, tell me, why are you tired today?
Work. Just work.
A long day?
A long week, really. Yesterday, we had a big team meeting.
Oh, those are never fun.
You're right, it lasted 3 hours.
3 hours? Oh, no. What were you talking about all that time?
Numbers, reports, deadlines. The boss wants a big project finished by Friday.
Friday? But today is Tuesday.
Exactly. We're running out of time. Everyone's under pressure.
That sounds stressful.
It is. And to make it worse, 2 of my colleagues are not getting along.
Oh, no. Who?
Tom and Sarah. Do you remember Tom?
Of course. The tall one with the big laugh?
That's him. And Sarah is new. Quiet, serious, very focused.
So Tom is loud and Sarah is quiet?
Exactly. Total opposites. And they're working together on this report.
Uh-oh, that sounds like trouble.
Yes. Yesterday, Sarah looked really sad. I think Tom said something not nice.
Oh, that's hard. Poor Sarah.
Yeah. She told me later, Tom is difficult.
That's never good. It's hard when you like both people.
Exactly. I want everyone to get along.
What about your boss?
Mr. Henderson? He doesn't even notice. He's too focused on the deadline.
I need the report by Friday, right?
Yes, that's exactly what he said.
So Tom and Sarah have to keep working together?
Yes. And guess what? I sit between them.
Oh, Peter, that must feel awkward.
It is. Today, the office was so quiet. Normally, we all laugh at lunch, but today, everyone ate alone.
That's sad. I hate that kind of atmosphere.
Me too. I ended up eating outside by myself.
Oh, no. Work feels so much better with friends.
True. That's why I have a plan.
A plan? Tell me.
Tomorrow morning, I'm going to buy coffee for both of them.
Oh, that's nice.
And cookies, too. Everyone loves cookies.
Great idea. Coffee and cookies always help.
I'll go to that coffee shop on the corner, the one with the green sign.
Oh, yes. They have the best chocolate chip cookies.
Perfect. I'll get one for Tom, one for Sarah, and hope they start talking again.
That's such a thoughtful gesture. I'm sure it'll work.
I hope so. I just want the office to feel normal again.
You're a really kind person, Peter.
Thank you. I just don't like tension.
Same here. Life's too short for that.
Exactly. But enough about work. What about you, Lily? You look extra happy today.
I am. And no, it's not just the coffee.
Oh, then what is it?
I have wonderful news.
Really? Tell me.
My best friend, Maria, is getting married.
What? That's amazing. Congratulations to her.
I know. I'm so happy for her. She told me last night.
That's big news. When's the wedding?
Next month.
Next month? That's soon. How long have they been together?
Around 3 years. They met at work.
Oh, an office romance. And it actually worked.
Yes, they started as friends, and now they're getting married.
That's beautiful. Have you met her fiancé?
Yes, his name is Daniel. He's calm, kind, and very supportive.
Sounds like a perfect match for Maria.
Exactly. They balance each other so well.
Where's the wedding going to be?
In a small garden just outside the city. Maria loves flowers, so it'll be full of roses and lights.
That sounds lovely. You must be one of the bridesmaids, right?
Of course. I've already started looking for dresses.
Oh, that's the fun part.
Well, it's also stressful. There are too many colors to choose from.
Let me guess. Maria wants everything perfect.
You know her well. But I don't mind. She deserves the best.
That's very sweet of you. I'm happy for both of you.
Thank you. Honestly, this made me realize something.
What's that?
That life isn't just about work or stress. It's about celebrating love, friendship, and small joys.
You're absolutely right. We often forget that.
Exactly. We get lost in deadlines and numbers, but happiness comes from simple things, like sharing good news or even a warm cup of coffee.
Oh, yes. Coffee again. But you're right.
I'm serious.
I know you are. So, are you giving a speech at the wedding?
I think so. Maria wants me to say a few words about our friendship.
Oh, that's beautiful. You'll do great. You have a way with words.
Thank you. I just hope I don't cry.
You definitely will. Weddings make everyone emotional.
True. Even thinking about it makes me tear up.
You've known her for a long time, right?
Since university, we studied together, traveled together, even got our first jobs at the same company.
That's a strong bond.
Yes, seeing her reach this new chapter makes me feel proud and grateful.
I can imagine. It's special when people you love find happiness.
It gives me hope, too. Maybe someday I'll have my own story.
You will, Lily. You're kind, loyal, and full of joy. Someone will see that.
That's sweet of you to say, Peter.
It's true. Good people attract good things.
Maybe. I believe in timing, though. Everything happens for a reason.
That's wise.
What about you, Peter? Any romance updates?
Me? No, nothing new. My love life is quieter than my office.
Oh, come on. There must be someone you like.
Maybe, but let's not talk about that today.
Okay. I'll respect that.
Thank you. For now, I'm focused on fixing things at work with coffee and cookies diplomacy.
Coffee diplomacy. I like that.
It works better than arguments. You can't force people to get along. You just help them feel seen and cared for.
That's so true. You should write a book about that.
The Coffee Solution. Fixing offices one cookie at a time.
Haha, I'd buy that book.
Maybe one day. But first, let's hope it works tomorrow.
I'm sure it will.
Thanks. So, what are you doing this weekend?
Helping Maria with wedding decorations. Flowers, candles, ribbons, all that.
Oh, that sounds fun. You'll make everything look perfect.
I'll try. What about you?
I'll take a walk, maybe read something relaxing. I need to rest after this week.
You definitely do.
You know, Lily, I really enjoy our talks.
Me too, Peter. It's nice to talk about real life, not just lessons.
Exactly. That's what Mr. Peter Channel is all about. Real English, real conversations.
And real laughs.
Absolutely.
So, shall we wrap it up here?
Sure. Everyone, thank you for listening.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Mr. Peter Channel with your friends.
And remember, a small act of kindness can make a big difference.
Yes, whether it's coffee, cookies, or just a kind word.
Until next time, take care and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone!